a very good question. It's a original CAT examination question which had come in the year 2000. Now let us solve this question. First let us read the question and understand the question. The question is, Sam has forgotten his friend's 7-digit telephone number. That means there is a 7-digit telephone number which Sam had forgotten, right? There is a 7-digit telephone number which Sam had forgotten. But they also say that he remembers the following. Although he had forgotten the 7-digit telephone number, he remembered few things in that 7-digit telephone number. What are those few things? The first 3 digits are either 635 or 674. That means there are two things which are there in this problem. First 3 digits are either 635 or it is 674. I am writing both the things as of now. First 3 digits is either 635 or it is 674. The second case what he remembers is the number is an odd number. That means the unit digit of that number or the ending digit of that number should end with 1357 or 9. That is the number which is considered as an odd number. And the last thing what he remembers is the number 9 appears only once. There is a number called as 9. That 9 appear only once. That is what he also remembers. Now, if Sam were to use a trial and error process to reach his friend, what is the minimum number of trials he has to make before he can be certain to succeed? That means if we want to find, there are two cases which I can derive from this question. What are those two cases? First thing they are saying that the number is an odd number. That means any number ending with 13579, it is an odd number. And the second thing what they are saying is the number 9 appear only once. That means first case I will take a scenario where the number is an odd number and it is ending with 9, right? It is ending with 9. Any number ending with 9 is also an odd number, sir. That means I am taking the first case as the number being an odd number and the number is ending with 9. And the second case what I am taking is I am taking the number as, or I am taking the case as the number is an odd number but the number is not ending with 9. It is ending with any of the other 4 digits, 1, 3, 5 or 7, right? So let us solve it individually case by case. If the number is ending with 9, there is only one way where I can fill this last position, right? There is only one way where I can fill this last position. So number 9 appears only once. All other digits can appear any number of times. There is no restriction on other digits. So this position can be occupied with any digit from 0 to 9 or 0 to 8 rather, because 9 is already taken here. There are 9 ways of filling this position. This also can be filled in any digit from 0 to 8. Again, there are 9 ways of filling this position. This also can be filled with any digit from 0 to 8. Again, there are 9 ways of filling this position. So that means if the number is starting with 635 and if the number is ending with 9, totally how many cases are there? 9 into 9 into 9 into 1. So totally 9 power 3 cases are there. Similarly, OR is nothing but addition, right? OR is nothing but addition. If the number is starting with 6, 7 and 4 and if the number is ending with 9, same like this condition, I will again get 9 power 3 cases. That means for case 1, total number of cases is 2 times of 9 power 3. I believe that you are able to understand it very clear. 2 times of 9 power 3 is the condition or is the total number of cases for case 1. Similarly, case 2, the number is starting with 635 or it is starting with 674. That is the first thing what Sam remembers. And the second thing is, can I say like this, sir? First case I took a number ending with 9, which is also will be considered as an odd number. Now the number will not end with 9. Let the number end with any of these 4 digits. 1, 3, 5 or 7. 9 is already taken in case 1. There are 4 ways of filling this last position, right? There are 4 ways of filling this last position. If I put the number 9 here, there is only one way of filling this position. Now 9 should not be repeated again. So this position can be occupied with any digit from 0 to 8. Totally 9 ways are there. This also can be occupied with any digit from 0 to 8. Again, totally 9 ways are there. That means, can I say that? Can I say like this? So here there are 9 ways. Here there are 9 ways. Here it is 1 way. And here there are 4 ways. So totally in case 2, for the first condition is it is 9 into 9 into 1 into 4, or it is 9 square into 4 cases, 9 square into 4 cases. But think little logically, sir. Instead of writing this 9 in the tens place, the 9 can be considered in hundreds place also. Suppose if 9 is there in hundreds place, this will not be 9. It can take any digit from 0 to 8. And this will be 9 cases. This will be 1 case. This will be 9 cases. Again 9 square into 4 cases will come. Similarly, if the 9 is present in thousand space, again 9 square into 4 cases will come. That means I need to add 9 square into 4 cases 3 times. Or in simple language, multiply 9 square into 4 by 3. Right? 9 square into 4 by 3. But this 3 into 9 square into 4 is the condition or is the total number of cases if the number is starting with 635. Same explanation can I say that if the number is starting with 6, 7 and 4, again this same conditions will arise here also, and it will become 3 into 9 square into 4 once again. That means 3 into 9 square into 4 plus 3 into 9 square into 4. Total number of cases for my second case is 2 times of 3 into 9 square into 4. For the first case, total number of cases possibilities is 2 into 9 cube. For the second case, total possibility is 2 into 3 into 9 square into 4. So my total possibility combining both the cases is, it is 2 into 9 cube for first case, 2 into 3 into 9 square into 4 for the second case. And please do not multiply this entire thing and then get the answer and mark the correct answer. Use a smarter approach. That is where you will win the situation compared to other people who are competing with you. If I take 2 into 9 square as a common factor, in the first term 9 will be present. 9 will be present. 2 and 9 square is taken out. 3 into 4 is left out, which is 12. So further simplification is 2 into 9 square into 9 plus 12 is 21. If I simplify further, this is 2 into 9 square into 21 is 3 into 7. Now please do not multiply and waste your time, sir. This is what you need to think. Can I say that answer should be a multiple of 2? But all the answer options are multiples of 2, right? It will not help me in this logic. Can I also say that answer should be a multiple of 3? 10,000 is not a multiple of 3, you can eliminate. The remaining 3 options are multiples of 3. One option is eliminated. Can I also say that second option is ending with 0? Any number ending with 0 is nothing but a multiple of 10. But this value is not a multiple of 10 because 2 is present, 5 is not present multiplied with 2 to make it 10. So second option cannot be the correct answer. Now you are left with only 2 more options, option C and option D. Can I also say that answer should also be a multiple of 7? 3402 is a multiple of 7. 3006 is not a multiple of 7. Therefore, my correct answer for this question is 3402. I believe that the idea is very, very clear for my students. And please remember, sir, I am repeating it one more time. This is the original CAT examination question which had come in the year 2000. The same question whatever had come in CAT 2000, I am explaining you and I explained you in detail as of now. I believe the idea is very, very clear.